See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
We could not ask for more perfect weather this weekend with plenty of sunshine, comfortable temperatures, although it did get a little warm today as we pushed the upper 80s to lower 90s. That was all thanks to a southerly flow continuing to keep us relatively clear, but you can see just off to our north and northwest, scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms are beginning to pop up this evening just to the southeast of the Dallas area, and then snow back through the central portion of the country where they're seeing a couple inches beginning to fall on the ground, and it's only the middle of October, so some very cool air is working its way into the central portion of the country, and eventually that cold air will make its way down into Acadiana, bringing us some fall temperatures by about Tuesday into Wednesday. But for the rest of this evening, that southerly flow is going to keep us on the dry side, but temperatures will remain up as we're only going to drop down into the lower 70s this evening. The southerly flow is also causing some issues down along the Gulf Coast as tides are going to be running about 1 to 2 feet above normal, so that could cause some minor flooding down towards the points and other areas along the Gulf Coast. So from St. Mary all the way over in the southeast Texas, they're under that coastal flood advisory until 9 a.m. High tide is in just about an hour or so at 11:11, so that's when things will really start to get worse, and then heading through the rest of the morning, things should gradually improve. So hopefully by early tomorrow morning, the waters won't be too bad and you can get out and do your activities. In the Gulf, we're not tracking anything going on right now, so that is the good news. But down in the Caribbean, the National Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on this little disturbance, but right now, not doing a whole lot, just a 20% chance of development in the next 5 days. And really, it's just going to run out of time and continue to produce more showers back through Nicaragua and up into Honduras. So no real issues there. And then out in the central Atlantic, they're also keeping an eye on this little wave making its way through, but they've now dropped chances to 0% of development in the next 5 days as it's going to run into some hostile environment in the coming days, so that should tear it apart. As you can see, all this activity out there earlier this afternoon is also running into that and not looking too good. So the good news is not expecting a whole lot right now with the tropics. What we are watching is that cold front, but it's still going to be off to our west. So a mild start tomorrow morning with times of sunshine, but gradually that front will begin to make its way down into Acadiana. That'll produce a chance for some scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon into the evening. But as the front slides off to the east, that'll allow for the cooler temperatures to arrive by Tuesday morning with the northerly flow. Heading into Tuesday afternoon, the front doesn't move a whole lot with some warm air moving over top that could get another round of scattered showers and firing up Tuesday afternoon. So you're just going to want to have that umbrella with you the next couple of days, as we will have the chance for at least some scattered showers in and around the area. Temperatures this evening dropping down into the lower 70s, so a mild start tomorrow. Before the front arrives, we'll make the upper 80s, but then you can see as the front moves through, temperatures will be dropping tomorrow, getting us into the upper 60s by Tuesday morning, and then staying that way, only getting into the lower 70s by Tuesday afternoon. So 72 this evening, a very comfortable night with a light breeze out there. Then tomorrow, heading off to school, we'll call it partly cloudy, temperatures sitting in those mid 70s, so a mild start. As you pick the kids up, clouds will be increasing with that 60% chance for some scattered showers and storms, so keep that in mind. Heading home from work as well, as the rain will be with us. 50% chance for the rain on Tuesday. Rain chances going down and temperatures staying very fall-like to end out the week, although we get back into the lower 80s on Friday before our next front arrives by the weekend.
All right.